cube action. Right. And we are wanting to return these organisms, so we want to make sure we're putting them in water and keep them safe. So now begins the counting.
After we collect the macroinvertebrates and place them on the white sheet, we can begin to find them. Remember, we want to return the organisms back to their habitat so they can perform the ecological role in their system. So we work as quickly as we can to find and place the macros in the trays filled with water. We look for something squiggly and pick it up.
Oh my god, yeah, shrimp is right. Shrimp. Thanks for dinner. And an isopod. Hey, buddy. Some people like to use little tweezers called forceps, but we've decided not to for a couple of reasons. One is that I feel like I have more control with my finger, and I'll squish less living things this way. Any other good reasons, Leah? No, just kill them. I don't want to harm them. Look at that. I look red.
Well, and I know a lot of people are kind of uncomfortable about touching them because they are little creepy crawly critters, but very, very few of them have mouth parts that can cause us any kind of harm.
There can be some pretty big ones out there, like crayfish, and sometimes you might want to
Right.
take caution when you're picking these guys up. But those you're going to notice pretty quick. You're going to see them fast. Yeah. So many shrimp. So we're calling them shrimp, and they are related to shrimp. Scuds, of course. Scuds.
Oh, I see an isopod.
Ooh, look at this guy. He's orange.
Look at you, little dude.
I like to look through these leaves because I'll often find many little critters crawling around on the leaves. You might not be able to even see them with the camera there, but there's one little scud shrimping around. Actually, that might even be a worm of some sort. A water worm. Did I get him? So, oh, and there's a mitt. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You're trying to go backwards. You stop it. Stop it right now. Even though we're finding a lot of the same stuff, we still need to count all the organisms that we can possibly find. Scientists measure biodiversity in several ways. It can be how many individuals I found. It can be how many individuals of different species. In this case, how many are tolerant or intolerant of pollution. So it's just good to point out that even though I've picked up 25 scuds, I gotta keep on picking up scuds.
Well, and you love it.
See it? Ooh. I don't know what that is. Go for like the low-hanging fruit first, you know? Yeah.
Well, and you want to move quickly too because these are aquatic organisms, and if they stay out of water too long, they'll suffocate because they can't breathe air.
And we want to do as little harm as possible. It must be mating season. Yeah. You know, guys, I didn't mean to separate you. What's interesting is that different times of year we'll find different stuff of different sizes. They're invertebrates. Some of them are insects, and so they have different stages or nymphs that they go through. A nymph is just another word for stage. Every time I pick something up, I feel another little pickle in my hand somewhere else. Add another scud, add another mayfly, add another 2 isopods.